Ahoy! So what do you reckon? Solo circumnavigation of the UK? Very little experience. Very old boat that I've not actually technically paid for yet. Should we do it or what? I'm in if you're in. So I've been like a little duck at the minute, you know, little legs going under the surface, trying to sort this out. But I may, exploring, be able to do this. So what's the problem at the minute? I'm stuck here, aren't I? I'm working to pay marina fees and pay the boat off, and I can't really go anywhere because on my days off the weather's always poo. So let's get some wheels in motion. Let's stop faffing around and let's have a plan. So the plan is to do a clockwise circumnavigation of the UK, probably through the Caledonia Canal though, because I don't fancy going around the top, this summer. No messing about, not next year or the year after, this summer. What do I need to do to be able to achieve that? Well, the good thing about Boatfolk, which is where I am now, is that if you're a berth holder here, you get to use the cruising pass, which means you can spend... They have 11 marinas around the UK. You can spend 30 days in each of the marinas. That's not 30 days total between the marinas, that's 30 days in each marina, which basically means if there's 11 of them, you can spend 2 months in your home port and a month in every other marina. So, what I'm going to do is circumnavigate the UK using the Boatfolk marinas, blah blah blah. I'm trying to work that out and get that working. Watch this space, we'll see what happens. What do I need to make it happen? Engagement. I need people to want to see it, which they should do because it'll be awesome. So that's the plan. Let's talk about the boat. Scampi 30, 1979, Volvo Penta 2002, sail drive, new sails, double spreaders. She's good to go basically. I just need a new Legend battery because mine's old. I want to replace the sail drive diaphragm because the ring around the diaphragm's only 6 years old, so it should be fine. And the ring around it is corroded and stuff like that. So just for peace of mind, I want to do that. And that's it. We can basically go. Yeah, I need to get lifted out and get a survey so I can get better insurance and stuff like that. But shall we just do it? I'm still going to have to raise funds for this. I'm hoping that the videos do well and therein lies the funds. But I don't know. They should do. There are, of course, links in the comments of various ways that you can help support me. I might do a GoFundMe thing. It feels horrible, but I need help. And that's horrible for me to admit because I never get help off anybody. Oh, I do get help off people. I never ask for help. So, yeah. This video's turning into shit. So the idea is carry on working for the next month or two, get that money, see if Dan will give me a stay of execution for a little bit, and then just go. And the good thing about staying in the Boatfolk marinas is it's effectively zero cost. You're just paying your mooring fees that you'd be paying anyway. So I'm trying to work out a partnership with Boatfolk. We'll see how that goes. I'm hoping it'll go really well. They're the type of people that you want to work with. Everybody that works here and everything, I've not had a bad experience with a single one of them. So yeah, hopefully I can get them on board and that'll help out in one way and get to show their other marinas, which will be fun. But we will just have to watch this space. That is the plan. Whether the plan comes off or not is down to variables, lots of variables. It's always down to money, isn't it? Whether you got the money to do it or not, which I don't, so it's getting the money to do it. But at least we have a plan. Now that we have a plan, we have an aim, we have a goal, we've got something to work towards. We're not just sitting here festering, going to work every day just to earn money to be alive. And I would rather like get money and live, if you know what I mean. Just go and do something. So yeah, tart the boat up, get her surveyed, get gone, go visit all the marinas, get back here, probably get on the lash for about a week in celebration, and then see what happens. I'll do like subscriber meetups around the way and Patreon meetups and stuff. I think a lot of my Patreons are abroad. But yeah, and we'll do that, because why not? That's what it's all about, isn't it? I was supposed to be going to Fleetwood, and then I didn't get there. So I will go to Fleetwood on the way past, because I'll call in and see my mum and everybody. Yeah, what do you think? Do you think it's a good plan? It gets me out and about, doesn't it? And everybody likes being out and about. I'm going to have to start using this platform more for income generation. So what I'm thinking of doing is, because I'm working with like Ardent and I'm working with Orca, so I think I might do it at the beginning of this video. You might have already seen it, but I'll do like a splash screen in partnership with and who I'm working with, so that they get positive stuff from it as well, which may lead to somebody buying advertising space there at some point, which will be great because I need that. And we'll just see how it goes. But that is the plan. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. That'll be helpful. Get in the comments and tell me, yes, go and do it, you silly fat lump, and stop just faffing around in Portland all the time. But I love Portland. I'll be retiring down here when I get to retire, if I ever get to retire. Get out, do something. That's what I need to do. Like, comment, subscribe, do that YouTube stuff. Maybe if I start saying that sort of stuff and people do it, then I'll start getting some money off YouTube. That's what I need. So yeah, I'm feeling invigorated and refreshed. Come along for the ride. Alright, I'm back. I'm just doing editing, and I forgot to tell you, this is just a little update video. The full video will be out Sunday. I actually did took the boat out and did some boat handling stuff with Boat Yoda DCW, David Clark Williams, who some of you may know if you know boating stuff around here. Yeah, so I took the boat out, did some spinning on the spot, did some reversing into the berth and all the rest of it. Got to sort of get a feel for the boat and how long it takes for the helm to start answering and stuff like that, and Dave taught me through a lot of principles. I'm just trying to edit that video down because I've got like an hour and a half footage, which can't really make an hour and a half video, can I? But we'll see. So yeah, there will be an upcoming video on Sunday of me and Boat Yodering. Yeah, I think that's about it. I don't know if there's any other housekeeping to do. I've changed my mind about the 240 volt. You know, I said it's going to come in through a cockpit locker. I think it's going to come in through a different locker that's not a cockpit locker. I'll explain that in another video. I think that's about it. If I think of anything else, you'll find out in a minute. Otherwise, auf Wiedersehen.